So I don't know, we call this thing the pavement. So even though they have covered this thing because of rain, there has been a lot of rain, but so far this is the farthest they have gone. If you look, it is looking so smart that way. I don't know, the workers have gone, but I don't know whether they call it the pavement, whichever it may be. But this house is looking like. Now I'm now at the back elevation. You see this how it is looking like. So they have gone all over. They are now this is the fastest they have reached. They have reached up to this place. So the other place is remaining. Perhaps they may do it perhaps Monday. And this area they have reached this far. And at the same time, you can see this the work of Bogwa. He was here. He has been there the whole of today. But so far, even he will tell us. We shall know how to have done perhaps by Monday. That is what he said. He could finish today, but there are some items that were missing. But he will place them on Monday, God willing. And so far this area, they have not done anything. They will do it later, perhaps from Monday. And now this area they have not done anything. This frontage they will do it perhaps on Monday. Still they have reached this far, but so far that is the farthest they have reached. So when we now go inside, we see how far the electrician has done on the side of the those items for what do you call it, for the bathroom. Thank you so much. Wait for the other video.